Good day today. Got grizzly bear. First time in years I got grizzly bear. There's my lunch. Yeah, my grizzly bears. Oh, you could see it now a little bit, huh? Right there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, my grizzly bear is down in the willows there. Gotta get it out of there. It was up on this hill up here and got it on above Bear Creek. Yeah, it was just coming down that hill over there. And we got it right there in that willows. So we're just gonna make sure it's dead and has some tea, have sandwich. Good bear hunting, Sam. There's the end of Bear Creek right there. That house must be just at the end of that mountain, huh?
Yeah.
Bear Creek, go down there. Okay, I'll save my battery and show you when we're pulling that bear out of the willows.
You look tiny.
Huh? There's that bear in the bush. Just gonna pull it out. We pulled it by hand that far. Pull it with skidoo. There's Sam. Gonna try to pull this bear out. Putting his ace into low gear. Bear is coming. Can hit that little tree. Yeah, not that big. He looked a lot bigger. There you go, bear. Yeah! Alright, untie his rope now. Here's that bear. Get out of the... You must get my shadow. There's... Must be 6'2", something like that. There's Sam moving his skidoo. There's my Tundra 600 EFI. Bear. Yeah. Got my knife, got my rubber gloves, all ready to start skinning. Sam putting on doctor gloves. Yeah, it's got fishing gloves, Arctic aggressor gloves. What kind of knife this is? I can't even read it. Sam making Facebook. Yeah, Bear Creek down there. I see more bears, bigger bears maybe. Where I was really seeing cranberries. I mean, the other way is really seeing cranberries. Oh yeah, there's a little bit of cranberries. There's some cranberries. We could have made a killing up here last year when we were spying cranberries. Oh yeah, right here. Yeah, right there, lots of cranberries. Must be lousy up here with cranberries last year. So I just bear is fat, I guess. Yeah, nice dark bear. A bit light on the rump. There's his feet. Back feet. Somewhere. Yeah, back feet. There's his head. Real good bear head. Big mountain that we came around. There's his ears. Oh, more cranberries just by his ears there. Yeah, it's a real cranberry hotspot. There's Sam. Not watching for cranberries.
I was looking for my bullet I lost.
Oh yeah, he lost his one bullet. $8 Creedmoor bullet. Me, I gotta go try find my $800 Reconyx camera on the way home. I put it up on the rock somewhere so I could get sheep and caribou pictures, and gotta find it now. Okay, are you going? Okay, yeah. There's there. There's 70. Old one, I never took my new one. Yeah. Yeah, young bear. Oh no. Look at the one broken teeth. Broken canine.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. See, this one's a big one and this one is broken.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's starved anyway, this bear.
How's the claws?
Oh yeah, there's the claws. Big claws. Yeah, 3-inch claws. Okay, we better get busy skinning it, I guess. There's skinned that bear. A little bit of fat, not very much. Stomach was really empty. Yeah, my sandwich froze, so leaving it for the wolves. There's the hide. So we'd be able to turn it over.